Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. My people, I work my desk on all the things that are ready. Me can't talk too loud. Anyway, just take a look at my screen. Tell me how wanna say there. Just tell me how wanna say there. The one Daryl Vaz. What me telling you today say? Me telling you say this a mania like for send lawsuit pan the rich, the middle class and the poor. So me I go use my word alleged. Now that me telling you my wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus. Just read for me there. Vaz instruct lawyers to take action over disparaging US visa remarks. You can't imagine my wisdom warriors. Them always depend X, depend social media, class the PNP go, class the PNP come. The way how all this money do Mark Golding, the way how this money do the PNP party. Me have whole heap of proof can show. Pan X can me screenshot them and put them in a file, my wisdom warriors. And if you see this money come out, if you see this money come out, say my instruct liars to take action. What action? Government Minister Daryl Vaz says he has instructed his attorney to take action against persons who have been making disparaging remarks regarding his United States visa. Vaz says he will not hold back in protecting his reputation. So how comes every day you upon social media a class Mark Golding? So una like, yeah? Una like for damage other people's reputation. But when people hit it where it hurts, una start ball out lawsuit. Are that them there, my wisdom warriors? Me tell us them is a set of cowards. And me nah stop say it. Me nah stop say it. What una no like people do to uno, don't do it to others. Daryl Vaz, take my advice. What you know want people do to you, don't do it to others. This man always depend X. The way how he deal with Mark Golding, right through about Mark Golding do a citizenship, one back of something he ain't going with. Over pan X. And Dayton Campbell was just explaining something. Dayton Campbell was just explaining something. And this man I say my instruct liars. Instruct liars for do what? Instruct liars to do what? Anytime them trouble PNP and PNP step on them can lawsuit. Then trouble PNP step on them can lawsuit. Boy, una coward. Una coward, brother. I'm not ready to no man. Una set a coward. Una get up every day and chat about reputation. What kind of reputation una have? Una have reputation? Una have which reputation you have, Daryl Vaz? You don't have no reputation, boy. You're not easy. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, yeah? Vaz says he will not hold back in protecting his reputation. There has been renewed public discourse surrounding Vaz's visa after his role in Jamaica Labour Party bash the opposition People's National Party for selecting attorney Isaac Buchanan as one of its candidates for the upcoming general election in light of Buchanan's previous criminal conviction. So, honestly, when I tell you, the whole of them get up and a class ISAT. The whole of them get up on a class ISAT. But when PNP retaliate, PNP always hit it where it hurts, you know. Always hit it where it hurts. You see, they run last out. You know, stop it, man. On a public figure, people are going to talk. People is going to talk. What Dayton Campbell come out and said, my wisdom warriors. Let me just give you a recap. Hear this. The JLP attempts to tarnish Buchanan's reputation stand in stark contrast to their own history, where individuals such as the aforementioned late Cleve Lewis, who was elected 3 times after leaving prison. In fact, every ex-minister who has gone to prison was a member of the JLP. The inconsistency raises question about the JLP's sincerity in its support of rehabilitation and expungement programs. Listen to this part. At this part, This part, Daryl Vaz, I go sue them for. While the PNP has never sought to politicize, listen, they say while the PNP has never sought to politicize the past of any individual, the JLP current stance against Isaac Buchanan underscores a troubling double standard. And then them say in 2021, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz had his visa reinstated with a rare discretionary waiver that reads 212D3A, waiver of 212A 2C1. In U.S. Immigration Law 212A 2C1 refers to inadmissibility due to controlled substance traffickers, yet this has faced no scrutiny by their members. You hear what they say? Yes, even though Daryl Vaz visa reinstated, my wisdom warriors, they never go and try to damage in character. This is what they're trying to say, and then just refer to the act. If you understand what I mean. That's all them do. So I don't understand when Daryl has come out and talk about he instruct his lawyer to take action. What action? What action? Every time then this now go nowhere. My wisdom warriors, this now go nowhere. You don't notice when it come to Daryl Vaz, me personally, always use the word allege. I always say to no. So me I go use the word allege, because I know him stay. Him send lawsuit upon the rich, the middle class, and the poor. Me know him turn. I saw him stay. Them always come out and trouble the PNP, and when the PNP hit it where it hurts, them ball out lawsuit. Them always do it. But I just look at them as a set of cowards, because they try to damage people's character, especially him. Him always, talking about Mark Golding, saying bad things and stuff like that. And when them lick back, retaliate, then he always attack about liar, I'm instruct liar to this and do that. Like, come on, get a hold of yourself and stop the foolishness. Just get a hold of yourself. Them are just set a coward, my wisdom warriors. I mean, I stop say it. I saw me look upon them. They're weak. They are very weak. This is why them do that. Mighty God of Daniel, but don't tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, may have a piece of attack claps for Japan. Oh no. Right there, so no say Integrity Commission run out. Yes, man, I see run out, and this is what they have to say. Integrity Commission posted this on their page today. The gag clause in Section 53.3 of the Integrity Commission Act, which is the ICA, prohibits the Commission IC from telling the public about its investigations before the relevant report of investigation is tabled in Parliament. Want to hear that, my wisdom warriors? Yeah, there is a gag clause placed on them. When I always hear we come out and talk about it, about gag order. There's a gag clause placed on them. So them can't come out and talk about the investigation. None at all. They have to send it to Parliament. When Parliament table it, then them can upload it on their website. All right? Additionally, they stated that Section 56.1 of the ICA requires employees of the IC to treat all information, statutory declarations, government contracts, prescribed license, and all other matters that relate to any matter that is before the Commission as secret and confidential. Want to hear that, my wisdom warriors? This, again, is a gag clause. Want to hear that? Let me read it again. It stated that additionally, Section 56.1 of the ICA requires employees of the IC to treat, so they have to treat every single information them have, every statutory declarations them have, every government contract them have, prescribed license, and all other matters that relate to any matter that is before the Commission. They have to treat it, my wisdom warrior, as a secret, and they have to keep it confidential. You understand? Okay. Then they said a breach of the foregoing constitutes a criminal offense that is punishable by fine or imprisonment. Wanna hear that? So a lot of people come out and say, I see you not talk, I see you not do this, I see you not do that. They cannot come out and talk. Me always tell them. But me like the way how they make it public now so everybody can know. You understand? So they can't come out and talk on issues. It is a criminal offense. When you hear what I say, my wisdom warriors, it is a criminal offense, and that is punishable by a fine or imprisonment. So this is to show you that the IC, they are very credible and they take their work seriously. And out of everything that happened, they never yet breach any act. They always follow rules and regulations. They always follow their policies. They always follow their act. Yes, them IC Act, them follow it. Them Section 53.3, them follow it. Remember, a gag clause is placed on it. So when you hear everybody come out and bash them and JLP bash them, them know say there's a gag clause on them. So they can't come out and defend themselves. And it is not fair when you have parliamentarians out here bashing the IC and the IC cannot come and defend themselves. It is not fair. It is not fair. And at that, Andrew Wallace will go a court and take off the gag clause. But no, him no want do that. Him no want do that. He want go to court and make the judge struck out the most important part. Section 45.5. I believe it's Section 45.5, my wisdom warriors. He want them struck out the part about illicit enrichment, about corruption, anti-corruption. He want them removed. So what's the point? What's the point? It don't make no sense to me. I see just go investigate and then that's it. Then can't prosecute nobody. Then can't charge nobody. No, that is not fair. I know the first them do this, you know. I know the first, you know. I think, if I'm not, my wisdom warriors, I think there was another person. May I have to go look it up? But there was another person that get charged by the IC. Well, it was recommended to be charged by the IC, and I think them did bring it in front of the court too. I think this person name, I don't really want to call them name, you know, I'm not sure, my wisdom warriors, but me have it pan file, but me never finish go through it. You understand? Yeah? So me I go through that, scan it out, and come back and show, you know, tomorrow or so. You understand me? But I know the first Jamaica Labour Party, they're doing something like this. Then go before for the court struck it out, but it wasn't a success. It wasn't. So I say Andrew Holness no care about nothing. You cannot say you want to go and struck out the most important part about illicit enrichment. Remember, it's not only about parliamentarians, you know, wisdom warriors. It's also about public officials. It's also about the illicit aid. So if the judge struck it out on a nose right there, so we're not going to know nothing about the 8 thief them again. You understand? It dead. And we're not going to allow it. We're not going to allow this Jamaica. We're not going to allow it. So, when you hear the IC come out and I make on the nose, so there's a gag clause. You understand? So I want everybody know, say, and IC, no one come out contact is, you know, them job and them have to follow policies and procedures. They have to. It is a criminal offense for them to break it, for breach the law. And them not go breach the law. Them are not Andrew Honest. I'm all in Malaho because that's all them do. You understand me? No. These people is honorable people. Yeah, me I go put it honorable upon them. Me I put it honorable upon them. They are, them people is of good governance. Yes. And as me talk about good governance, my wisdom warriors, me have a piece of attacklaps. Yes. You know, the PNP, MPs, including our opposition leader, them do a video clip, you know, letting everybody know that they all have signed the leadership code of conduct. And it is a pleasure to hear them talking how they sign the code of conduct. So my wisdom warriors, I want to take in this.
I'm Angela Brownberg, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Southwestern, and I signed the Code of Conduct for parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Luther Cousins, Member of Parliament for Clarendon Southwestern, and I signed the Code of Conduct for parliamentarians in 2023.
Denise Daly, Member of Parliament, St. Catherine Eastern. I signed the Code of Conduct for parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Mark Golding, Leader of the Opposition and MP for South St. Andrew, and I signed the Code of Conduct for parliamentarians in 2023.
Hugh Graham, MP for St. Catherine Northwestern, signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Maurice Guy, Member of Parliament for St. Mary Central. I signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
Lisa Hanna, MP for South East St. Anne, signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Anthony Hilton, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Western, and I signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Fitz Jackson, Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Southern, and I have signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Natalie Nita Garvey, Member of Parliament, North Central St. Catherine, and I signed the Code of Conduct in 2023.
I am Philip Paulwell, MP for Kingston East and Port Royal, and I signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Michael Phillips, Member of Parliament for Manchester North Western, and I signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Peter Phillips, Member of Parliament for St. Andrew East Central, and I signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
I am Julian Robinson, Member of Parliament for South East St. Andrew, and I have signed the Code of Conduct for Parliamentarians in 2023.
Jamaican people want better.
So my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about it. You always hear me come out and talk about the leadership, signing the leadership code of conduct. You always hear me come out and said PNP them sign it. The only persons that don't sign it is the Jamaica Labour Party. You always hear me come out and talk things them. So there you go. You just put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really, really, really appreciate it. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, just text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.